So this is the new dryer, and this is what it sounds like. Perhaps this is the singing that was heard last night. It doesn't sound like singing to me, but I didn't hear any singing last night at all, so I don't know. It also doesn't really sound like it's working all that great. In fact, it sounds like it could really use some grease or some oil or something. Because boy, is that loud, and it squeaks and squeals, and boy, I would not like to be next to this thing while it's running for a very long time. Oh, look, now it's not making any sound. The sound disappeared for a second. Oh, wait, it's making a different noise now. No, squeaking went away for a second. Don't worry, it'll be back. Just give it a couple seconds. Oh, now it's making a different noise. Either way, it's making really, really horrendous noises, and yeah, none of the noises I'm hearing sound anything like singing. But there you go. There you have it. Oh, the squeaking's back. You can hear it. Sure sounds lovely. Yeah. Whatever it is, it's definitely not good.